Have you seen the inside of this spectacular home? The sellers have made it easy for you with an open house here every single day. We just need 1 hour notice. You'll want to see this amazing home in person with a spectacular wide open floor plan, fantastic hardwood floors, a 2-tiered deck, and there's so much more with this beautiful home on 2+ acres in Frederick County. A possible in-law suite in the lower level, a large master bedroom with a master bath, and a large spacious front yard. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac in a quiet, secluded neighborhood. If you're looking for a place in the country that's close to everything, this is the perfect home for you. Go to www.10894martingale.com to learn more about this amazing home or to schedule your private tour to see this house in person. That's www.10894martingale.com. Stop on by.